Hi, I'm Chris Clark, and today I have a flip through for you of the What a Character series. So these are a collection of biographies. Each of them has 10 different biographies within it. So we have Inventors and Scientists, and this is geared towards the grade 4 student and up. And then we have America's War Heroes, which is geared more for the 6th grade and up student, 6 to 8. But really the whole family can enjoy these. These are a great resource for a family morning basket or to go alongside whatever history or geography that you're using. These fit great with a lot of the Masterbooks courses. And one of my favorite things about this is in the back, you'll see in the flip through, there's actually a guide to show you where they fit in and with what courses. So that is an excellent resource. So like I said, these each have 10 biographies in them. They can be read in any order. They're just really versatile, and they have colorful pictures and they have vocab words. These can be read for just enjoyment, or they can be assigned reading for the different courses that you're using. One of the things that we like to do, my independent reader will make a poster for the character that she read about. And so if your child leans more towards the artistic assignments, if they really like that, that's a great option. Let's start the flip through off with America's War Heroes, Notable Lives from History. This is a fun and engaging reader for students or anyone who loves American history. It explores the lives and accomplishments of 10 remarkable heroes from the American War for Independence, the War of 1812, the Civil War, World War I, and World War II. Inside this reader, you'll find full-color illustrations, maps, war stories, and easy-to-find vocabulary words and definitions. Learn about the influence and lives of Ethan Allen, Daniel Morgan, Francis Marion, John Paul Jones, Stephen Decatur, David Farragut, John Mosby, Sergeant York, Jake DeShazer, and Desmond Doss. You will be inspired by the remarkable accounts of these heroes as they apply their God-given talents and opportunities to impact their generation and possibly change the world. There's a section, a glossary in the back, and then there's this guide of corresponding curriculum where you can find where this fits with other Masterbooks titles. Next, we have Inventors and Scientists, Notable Lives from History. This reader explores inventors and scientists who changed the world in a significant way by using their God-given talents and opportunities. The stories will incorporate well for students in grades 4 through 8 in many areas of study, including history, language arts, vocabulary, words and definitions, as well as science, innovation, and cultural insights. This series is great to use alongside Masterbooks curriculum for extra reading practice or to dive deeper into topics that are of special interest to your student. Learn about Carl Linnaeus, Eli Whitney, Robert Fulton, Samuel Morse, Louis Pasteur, Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Booker T. Washington, George Washington Carver, and the Wright brothers. Again, in the back, you will find the glossary with all the definitions for the vocab words, as well as the corresponding curriculum guide. This guide clearly shows you which Masterbooks courses correspond with each chapter. Thanks so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this flip through of the What a Character series from Masterbooks. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask over on the Masterbooks app. We're happy to help any way that we can. And I hope that you found this valuable. And this is a resource that I can't recommend enough. I'm very excited about it. Having quality readers for our children that we can trust is super important in our homeschool. I have some avid readers who can't get enough, and this is a great resource for me to be able to hand to them. Until next time, happy schooling.